Hello, I am Judge Lisa Hannan and I am the Chief Magistrate of the Magistrates Court of Victoria. To all of you, welcome and thank you for taking the time to watch this video which explains the Court's response during this coronavirus pandemic. As you know, the Magistrates Court is responsible for the court-led response into family violence and for the implementation of the recommendations of the Royal Commission. Our focus throughout this pandemic has remained prioritising the safety of those who are experiencing family violence and making sure that perpetrators remain accountable during this pandemic. Throughout the coronavirus pandemic, 51 magistrates' courts across the state have remained open. We understood from the beginning that we are an essential service and that it was essential to the people of Victoria that they were able to attend our courthouses and to make applications in circumstances where they were experiencing family violence. Of course, like everybody else, we needed to look to the number of people attending our court buildings. We had to change some of our processes and procedures. We increased the use of our online forms. We expanded that across the state, and you'll find that on the Magistrates Court of Victoria website. Family violence practitioners have been providing their services via phone, completing risk assessments. Duty lawyers have been providing legal advice via phone. But the message is this: justice hasn't changed, just the mode of delivery has. We have at all times maintained the standard of our services, and we have maintained our commitment to making sure that the members of our community remain safe. We have redesigned the MARAM training for online learning to ensure that it is consistent and collaborative and that risk assessment is conducted on a best practice basis. The courts have continued to work very closely with the broader family violence community, particularly key agencies in justice and in health, to ensure that perpetrators are accountable during this time. In conjunction with Family Safety Victoria, we have developed interim guidelines for our men's behavioural change program providers to ensure that counselling orders are enforceable while face-to-face group work is temporarily suspended. The Court continues our usual practice in terms of the information sharing scheme. This is work that supports the free flow of information across key departments and sharing entities to keep victims, their children and families safe. We look forward to working with service providers and agencies across the family violence sector as we continue to respond to family violence in a coordinated and integrated way. I would like to thank everybody for their hard work and for their commitment during what are certainly unprecedented times. Finally, I reiterate this Court's commitment to its role in ensuring a safer community.